I like to wear different clothes.
Song. Verb wear.
We are fashion models. We wear different clothes all the time. My name is Francine. What am I wearing? I am wearing a hat. I'm wearing a green dress. Fashion show. I'm wearing a green dress, but I'm not wearing a hat. This is a fashion show. Fashion show. This is my friend David. What's he wearing? David is wearing a shirt. He is wearing pants. He's wearing shoes. Change clothes. David is not wearing a shirt and pants now. He is wearing a t-shirt and shorts. He isn't wearing shoes. He's wearing sneakers. Fashion show. This is my friend Naomi. What is she wearing? Naomi is wearing a blouse. She is wearing a skirt. She's wearing high heels. Fashion show. Change clothes. Fashion show. Naomi is wearing a different skirt. She's not wearing a blouse. She isn't wearing high heels. She is wearing a t-shirt and boots. Fashion show. Naomi and other models are together now. What are they wearing? Naomi and the other models are wearing summer clothes. They are wearing swimsuits. Summer. Change clothes. Winter clothes. They're not wearing summer clothes. They are wearing swimsuits. They are wearing winter clothes. They're wearing coats and sweaters. They're wearing cloths on boots. Fashion show. Goodbye. See you in the next show.